This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. It'll take about an hour. Let's start with getting your old kit uninstalled. This should take about 10 minutes. Switch off and unplug the old hub at the socket. Then switch off and unplug the power supply lead at the rear of the old hub. Remove the connector cable. This is where the spanner might come in handy. Remove any other cables. Switch off and unplug the old box at the socket. Then switch off and unplug the power supply lead on the back of the old box. Remove the connector cable. This is where the spanner might come in handy. Remove the HDMI and Ethernet cables connecting your old box to your TV and hub. Pause the video while you do this. Make sure you keep all of the old kit together. It looks the same as the 360 box. And be careful not to use the old power supply with other devices by mistake. Check the packaging your new kit came in for more details on how to return or recycle your old kit. Now that's done, let's install your broadband. For this bit you'll need the hub, which will look like one of these, hub power supply, connector cable and the isolator cable. You can pause the video now while you get them together. This will take about 30 minutes. Ready? First, connect the end of the isolator cable with the black band to the socket marked wall on the connector cable. Cables are push-fit. Test they are securely connected by pulling them gently. Then connect the cable with the red end to the wall socket. Remember to check it's secure. Take the free end of the blue banded cable and connect it to the hub. Connect the Ethernet cable to your new hub. Push it firmly into place. Connect the power supply, then plug the power supply into the mains. Connect the other end to the hub, switch on at the mains and at the back of the hub. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. Now we're going to set up the Virgin TV 360. For this bit you'll need the 360 box, its power supply, remote control, the supplied HDMI cable, Ethernet cable and the cable adapter. Feel free to pause the video now while you get everything you need. This should take 15 minutes. Join the two parts of the power supply together. Attach the connector cable with the white end to the socket of your new box. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable from the hub before connecting the supplied HDMI cable to the box and to your TV. Take a note of the name of the HDMI port. Virgin TV 360 supports 4K. If you have a 4K TV, connect to a 4K HDCP 2.2 compliant socket. If you aren't sure, check your TV manual. Connect the power supply and then plug the 360 box into the mains. Switch it on at the wall and on the back of the box. On your TV remote, push the input button. It might be labelled AV or source. Then scroll to the HDMI port you connected the cable to. When you see the welcome screen, pull the tab out of your 360 remote. Using your remote, follow the on-screen instructions for setting up via Wi-Fi. Once you've got a good connection, your 360 box will start downloading the latest software. The update will take up to 10 minutes and will involve one restart. Get more from your kit by watching telly wherever you are with the Virgin TV Go app at no extra cost. Set and stream recordings and control your 360 box. Access live TV and on-demand content on up to 5 devices. Content available is dependent on your package. Visit the App Store or the Play Store and search Virgin TV Go. And that's it, you're done. Nice one. Go to virginmedia.com/help for more help and support.